Hello viewers, good morning once again. I am Sarah from SciMedian. Today in this video, I will tell you about the most useful programming languages for healthcare data analysis. Last week, we published a carousel post about this on LinkedIn, and we got a great response. So this week, we are going to explain this through a short and very simple way. Dear viewer, let's see what languages we are going to discuss in this video. First, Python, second, SQL, third, R programming, fourth, Java, and lastly, we'll discuss about C++. So let's start now. This is about your first programming language, Python. Python has become integral to healthcare data management due to its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries. This language is widely utilized for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization tasks, such as extracting insights from electronic health records, EHRs, and building predictive models. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib are essential tools for healthcare data professionals. The second programming language is SQL. Structured query language serves as the backbone of healthcare databases, playing a crucial role in managing relational databases. SQL is vital for the secure storage and retrieval of patient data, medical records, and billing information, ensuring that healthcare organizations can effectively manage their data. The third programming language is R, programming. R is specifically tailored for data analysis and is frequently used within healthcare for statistical modeling and data visualization. Its capabilities are invaluable in healthcare research and epidemiology for tasks such as data mining and clinical trials analysis, enabling healthcare professionals to derive meaningful insights from complex datasets. The fourth programming language is Java. Java offers extensive support for cross-platform applications in the healthcare sector, including systems like electronic health records and healthcare information systems. The language's reliability, security features, and capacity for high-performance applications make it a popular choice for developing robust software that handles healthcare data management. Now, this is our final programming language for this video, C++ and C#. Both C++ and C# are important in healthcare data applications, especially for developing performance-critical systems. C++ is often used for medical imaging software and embedded systems, while C# is favored for Windows-based applications, including desktop medical software. Their capabilities in handling system-level programming and efficient data processing make them suitable choices for specific healthcare applications. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you all.